Welcome back to Long Island TV. Today we're sliding into summer at Splish Splash, so let's check it out. Today we're at my favorite summer destination on Long Island, Splish Splash in Calverton, and today we're with Danielle, the Director of Marketing at Splish Splash. Thank you so much for having us today.
Hello, welcome. We're glad to have all of you guys here today with us.
It's a beautiful day, and Splish Splash has been around for, this is the 30th season?
Yeah, so this is our 30th season. We're very excited to have everyone back in the park after being closed last year. So for us, we have our kiddie area, which is great for our kids, our young ones. We have our yellow submarine that kids love, our pirate ship. We have some slides. We have an octopus with swings on it. You know, kids really love that area. And then we also have, you know, other attractions for teenagers and adults that, you know, there's over 20 attractions, so rides and slides. So we're really excited to have everyone back in the park, and everyone's thrilled to be here.
Yeah, and Splish Splash is fun for all ages. You guys have retail shops, you have arcade games, the whole boardwalk with the food court. I mean,
Yep.
It's a full day of fun. I'm so excited to start the day. What do you recommend we go on first?
If you are a thrill seeker, let's go on Alien Invasion first. If you want something a little low key, then, you know, we can head over to one of our two wave pools today.
Awesome. I mean, that's unique to have two wave pools too.
It definitely is. Our Kahuna Bay wave pool was opened just a few years ago. And then we also have our Surf City wave pool, which I definitely also recommend.
Which is iconic.
Exactly.
I mean, right near the Dippin' Dots. I'm so excited.
Of course. And then we also have, if you want to kind of relax in luxury for the day, you can purchase one of our cabanas online. We have over 55 cabanas in the park. They're both, all those cabanas are surrounded by our wave pool on both areas. And, you know, we have cabanas ranging from, you know, 6 people to 16 people. So you really can bring your whole family if you want and have a birthday party there. Additionally, we have a group area and a birthday party area at our pavilion. So guests can, having a minimum of 15 people or more, they can head over to our pavilion and have a 1-hour birthday party package or a group, you know, package that we can cater. And from there, it's great. You know, you have a private area to yourself and you can hang out. We even have a volleyball court over there. So,
oh, wow. Well, I've had my birthday here every single year. It's a tradition for about 20 years. And I am so excited because we can rent out a VIP cabana now. And I see that there is a new bar near the lazy river.
Yes, I definitely highly recommend anyone 21 years and older to head over to our Riverview bar. It's really good. It's right near our lazy river and Dinosaur Falls. You can't miss it. So definitely grab a drink and kind of relax for the rest of the day.
So where can we find information about the cabanas, tickets, all of that?
Sure, I recommend everyone heading over to our website, which is splishsplash.com, where you can find ways to purchase tickets online. You can actually save by purchasing online versus purchasing at the gate. We also have military discount for active and retired military. Additionally, we have season passes, which guests can buy. Check our website often for our most up-to-date operating calendar. And, you know, any information, as you mentioned, about cabanas and all the other things that we have to offer.
Perfect. That sounds amazing. And I'm a thrill seeker, so I'll definitely be checking that out. And I think it's time to go on some rides.
Definitely. Let's go.
Let's go. Boardwalk, which is basically their food court. There are so many different food options, from fish tacos, pizza, to funnel cakes and sweet treats. But today I think we're going to check out the new Johnny Rockets, which is right near our cabana. This has been yet another amazing day at Splish Splash. Definitely a destination you need to check out this summer, and no better way to end it than on the lazy river. So for more adventures on Long Island, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you hashtag Discover Long Island so we can follow your adventures. See ya! We're sliding into summer at Splish Splash, so let's go check it out. We're on the boardwalk where there are, so right now we're on the boardwalk where is basically their food court. It has from fish tacos to Italian pizza to fun. Make sure you hashtag Discover Long Island. Subscribe.
Definitely recommend grabbing a drink at some point today.
That's awesome. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. Was that good?